Pinterest is an ideal platform to market your products using video ads. But how much time and money does it take to create them? What if I told you there's a way to automate this process by converting your product pages into stunning professional ads in just a few clicks? Using Creatify's awesome AI video ads tool, it's easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. It only takes 5 minutes. Ready to begin? Let's go. Step 1 is simple. Go to Creatify AI's website and create a free account. Signing up is fast and gives you access to their powerful AI video ads tool. Now, you're ready to create your first ad. On the dashboard, click the AI video ads button to get started. You'll then see a prompt asking for a product URL. Copy and paste the URL of the product page you want to create your ad from. This can be a product listing in your online store, an Amazon product page, or any page on the web. Creatify's AI will then scan your page and import vital product details, images, video clips, and key selling points to use in generating your Pinterest ad. Review and edit these carefully. If driving sales is your goal, make sure you also add your brand name, price, and promotion details. Now it's time to configure your ad's video settings. Select General as the target platform and an aspect ratio of 9:16. We recommend setting the length to 15 seconds to match Pinterest's recommended guidelines for standard video ads. Finally, select your language and describe your target audience in a sentence or two. Next, it's time to select and refine your ad's script. Creatify's AI generates several scripts that work for a variety of audiences, tones, and styles. Every script highlights your key selling points, but it's important to review and refine it to add your personal touch. For sales ads, make sure you close with a strong offer and a call to action tailored to your audience. Okay, now it's time to select an avatar to serve as your brand spokesperson. Creatify offers 370 lifelike avatars and 140 voices in 29 languages to choose from. The predefined avatars range from fun and relatable to professional and polished. Make sure you preview them before choosing one, though, because some of the voices may not meet your needs. Now it's time to select an AI-generated ad that best matches your campaign goals and audience. Creatify provides up to 15 ads to choose from, ranging from outrageous eye candy to more serious and professional clips. If you'd like to generate multiple ad variants, then select more than one ad. You can also use Creatify's batch video ads tool to generate multiple ads, but we aren't covering that here. Finally, make sure you preview and edit your ad in Creatify's excellent video editor. Now is the time to correct errors, refine your script, and tweak your call to action for maximum effect. Creatify provides a real-time preview to see what your final ad will look like before rendering. When you're happy with the quality, press Render to generate the final version for your campaign. Creatify only consumes credits when you render, so lean on that preview feature until you're completely happy. Now that your ads are ready, it's time to add them to your campaign. Creatify provides easy export options for popular platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also download your video ads and add them to campaigns on other platforms. After deploying your ads, monitor their performance closely. Use insights from each platform to see which variations perform best and refine your strategy accordingly. And we're done! In less than 5 minutes, we just converted a product page into stunning professional ads for Pinterest. Creatify's AI video ads tool truly takes the guesswork out of ad creation, letting you focus on growing your business. Ready to give it a try? Click the link in the description below to start creating your first Pinterest video ad for free.